solving this? Are we gonna go over or are we gonna go under? Oh, you're lame. Hey Dad, can you take the camera? I'm gonna crawl under. Crab walk. Crab crawl. Oh. Like a G6.
Like a G6.
Oh, dude, are my pants all dirty?
Yep.
Does it really?
You ready for your sandwich?
Tell me if you think I sharted.
Away from the wet area. Tired of the mosquitoes.
Anybody want to eat?
Does anybody want to wipe this off for me?
Yeah, I want to eat.
No, it looks like you sharded. I'm not touching that.
Why? It's not real. It won't bite.
I'm
Hey,
not convinced.
detour? Anyone?
I'll go a detour.
Maybe there's a nice spot to sit over there. Why is it so while we watch the water?
Why do you whine so much?
I'll be back in a minute.
Lane and I are gonna go take the detour. Hey Landon, I did a crab crawl under that tree.
That's for pussies.
What? You walked around it. I did better than you
I
did.
tripped over it.
Dude. Like a G fucking 6. God, you gotta love the sound of running water. Alright, well, if any of you needed to use the restroom, I hope that helped you. I found the raging waters!
But if you're like this already.
I just need a little bit of something.
Mom, do you want to turn back? We can always come back. Nature is amazing. Hello.
Hi.
Day 15. Running low on water. Word of advice to any of you that are hiking. To any of you that find this video. Camel packs are not the best solution. Too much sucking. Take a couple of water bottles.
Where is it? Oh.
It's day 15. Still day 15, afternoon. I think we're lost.
Still day 1, afternoon.
Look, more bonbons. Landon, you want to say any goodbye words if we don't make it out of this?
You were even asking, want to go to Timber Pass?
Day 1.
It's not day 1.
Day 1.
It's even twice
Everything's
as far
okay?
as-
It's not.
We're gonna go
It's
in
day
one direction.
15. Dad,
No, I just think
Went to bed late last
day
night.
15.
Well,
We're
you're the
low
one
on
who-
water.
I just thought it was funny you were asking.
Any goodbye words if we don't make it out of this?
There are very few of you who I've ever liked, so fuck off. No, just, you might want to delete that.
No, that's going in.
No, come on. that's
Mom, any
funny.
goodbye words?
No.
Wow.
It's only day 1.
It's not day 1.
No goodbyes should be said.
Shut up. We just ate our last sandwich. We've decided who we're gonna eat first. It's Landon. but he's threatened to eat himself. Yeah, pretty much. He's been watching way too much Smosh. He decided to copy that.